Hello, Timberline homeowners. Is it time for you to paint the exterior of your home? Or perhaps you want to put a new garage door on, or a fence, or any type of repair that's going to require an architectural request form? Several people have asked, well, where do I get that form? Well, the good news is the form is available as a paper version that you can download, complete it, fill it out, and then get your supporting documentation, pay your fee, and send that back into the property management company, who will then forward that on to the architectural committee, and they will approve it or disapprove it. The other alternative is you can do it all digitally, and you can do this again through the website. To log into the website, point your web browser to timberline.connectresident.com. You can see that up here in the corner of my browser. You're going to click login, regardless of if you already have an account or you're new. This is the screen that you'll see. Now mine pre-fills in the information because I visit frequently, because I select this Keep Me Signed In button. A little caveat, don't use this option if this is a public computer. You should only do this if this is a private computer. If you've forgotten how to log in or you've forgotten your password, you can select this button and you can reset your password. If you're new and you've never logged in before, you can select this and create an account. Now I'm just going to log in. This is what you see at the home page. On the left over here, you'll see if you have any outstanding balance. You can also click this button to see your account activity. Down here on the left, in the bottom corner, you'll see forms and documents. In the middle here, you have architectural modifications. Now, if you're a digital person and you like to do everything online, I suggest you take this option. And I'm going to show this first since I'm right here. You click this button and this is what you'll see when that loads. Make sure you read everything in here and you'll see up here at the top 1, 2, and 3. So it follows you through the steps here. If you submit on this incomplete, meaning you're missing supporting documentation, you must resubmit this and you must resubmit that fee that you paid. So make sure before you even begin this process that you have all the supporting documentation that you will need for this to be reviewed. You complete this, you drop digital copies in of your supporting files and any other forms that are required, and you sign it here by tapping it and you hit next. Your next phase, you'll pay online and then you'll submit the form, and then you should get a receipt and you should hear back from the property management company. Now, I'm not 100% sure of this procedure, so I may be wrong. It might not be a bad idea to just shoot Brianna an email just to make sure that the application went through to their end. If you prefer to download and fill out the papers by hand, you want to use the Forms and Documents option. Click the View All, go up here to the top and unselect All, and then just select Association Documents. That'll eliminate the board minutes and here's architectural forms. I'm going to click here, or you can also click the button here to download. And then I'm going to download that to my hard drive. You'll need to open this up in Adobe Acrobat Reader, or if you have the full Acrobat Pro. This is the complete packet needed for anything that you want to do that requires this type of form. So scroll through these and only print out the documentation that you will need. For example, if you are only going to do a garage door, then you can scroll down here and you can fill out the new garage door. Again, make sure you check what documentation or what samples are required for this. There are other forms that you can also download from the website. For example, you will need to download a Complete Your Neighbor Awareness form. And if you're going to be doing any painting, you're going to have those paint colors approved. And here's a list of paint colors and paint schemes that have already been pre-approved, and these are all Dunn Edwards. And if you go to the Dunn Edwards website, you'll find that they also have this information available there for you that you can actually download or view right on their website.